Okay, here's the furnace that broke down this morning. I got a cameraman that's going to help me. We got an inducer motor problem. So let's see what we're going to find in my piece of junk furnace. Let's see. Oops, that fell off there. What's connected to what? Should get a light, huh?
Yeah.
So we can see. There we go. So this is a typical furnace man's house. Doesn't take care of his crap, takes care of everyone else's stuff. Let's see what kind of party we're gonna find in here. Let's see what we're gonna find. Either we're gonna have a destroyed wheel, or we're going to have some kind of animal. Oh, that's... Those aren't even tight.
One at least was, it seemed like it.
Oh, I already repaired that one. Had this collector box is stripped. Oh yeah. Let's see. Got any other screws in here? It's been on there quite some time. Oh, that's a big piece of junk. Oh yeah. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, there's my fan motor. I think I cocked it up a little because I didn't have a gasket when I was screwing around with it.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, half the fan's missing. Half the fan is missing. Well, we know the problem. Let's just cut that off there. And we'll just run the heat pump. That's all we're doing. Huh. People ask why don't I have a better furnace? It's like, if the thing's not broke, don't fix it. But I mean, my gas bills aren't that high, but it's just, I bought the house and it had this in there and I used it until now, and it's garbage now because that inducer motor is a lot of money, believe it or not. These Seawind inducer motors, they're a lot of money, and I don't think the furnace is worth it. You know, it's a 2006 furnace, and it's just time. I'm gonna say it's time. Well, I guess I can't be too mad about my furnace. Just the least of my worries. I mean, it's Thanksgiving. I'm thankful for my family. I could care less about my furnace. But I do have heat. I got the heat pump. But even if I didn't have heat, I wouldn't care anyways. It's just the crap that happens on Thanksgiving. It's bound to happen. But this was kind of, I wasn't going to let that get me down because, you know, my whole year has been flipped upside down. So I don't know. That was during the morning. This is at night. Got through Thanksgiving dinner. Everything's great. And yeah, what are you gonna do? But this Thanksgiving we got a lot to be thankful for, because the outcome of my son's cancer could have been a lot worse than it was. And just thank God he's here with us today, because you never know what could have happened. So that's what I'm thankful for this year. So hope everyone had a good Thanksgiving. This was my experience today, and we will do we'll do an install. I'm basically I gotta run to the shop tomorrow, pick up a furnace, and I'm gonna temporarily install it because I want to order a filter box for the bottom. I want the furnace to sit on a filter box, return coming straight down the side, filter on the bottom, and just get better airflow through the system. But I do need a furnace because it's supposed to get cold and the heat pump's not going to keep up. So I'll do a video on the temporary install. Basically, we're just going to disconnect the return on this one, disconnect the coil, lift everything up off of it, get the furnace out, get the new furnace in, and that should be it for the temporary. And we'll use some either sheet metal or thermopan around the supply plenum at this time, just to kind of temporarily put it in. But I got some other work I got to do. I got a fresh air system that I haven't put in that I should put in. I got another tank. I got a 50-gallon water heater now, and with a return line on it. And I have a big family, and I don't have the money to actually put a Navian in, or I would. So I'm going to put another 50-gallon tank sitting right next to it. So maybe I'll do that this weekend, maybe I won't, depends on time. But that's it for this one, and I will see you on the next one. Happy Thanksgiving.